how to install add-ons. If you're a member of, well, let's get rid of that first of all. If you're a member of iOSoro, then you've got to have King Boss mods installed. Okay, when you're raiding, it just gives you heads up and warnings and things about buffs, debuffs, and where you need to stand, etc., etc. So here we go. The first thing you need to do is you need to grab the Curse client. Okay, so here's the website, curse.com/client. And then what you're going to do is you're going to download for PC. I've already downloaded and installed it, okay? But just to give you an idea, click on Save File. The file will save. You then go to Setup and click on Run. Okay, and then just accept all the defaults, and the client will eventually install. Now, when the client's installed, let's just get rid of that. You'll be presented, let's just get back to where we were. You need to log in as well when you open the Curse client. In fact, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it and I'm going to reopen it. You can see it on the Curse website as well if you haven't already done so. Again, it takes 2 minutes. Now all you need to do to find King Boss mods is
go get more add-ons, and you'll get a list of add-ons. First time you go into it, it'll download the database of all the add-ons and things that you need for the game that you've got installed. So all you do is you go to King Boss mods. As you can see, I've already got it installed, but otherwise it'll say install. So all you do there, click on install, it'll sit for 2 minutes and then it'll come up installed, and the add-on is then installed. If you want to install something else, let's say Rift Count DPS meter, just click on it. Just wait for a few seconds. It'll take up to a minute, but it shouldn't take very long at all. It's a very small file. And you'll see this, the installed. There we go. So it's changed to installed. That's all good. Okay. There's lots and lots of different add-ons there for you to have a look through, but King Boss mods is the one that you need in order to raid with iOSoro. But feel free to have a look through there at your leisure and install whatever you see fit. You can search for things and so on and so forth. Just get yourself familiar with this, but that's all you need to do. When you finish with that, click close. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the old-fashioned way, right? Which is how I prefer to do it, because I'm completely used to doing it for years and years and years. Okay, so if you don't want to install the client for whatever reason, what you can do is go to curse.com/addons/rift, and you'll be presented with this screen here. Now, King Boss mods is one of the most popular add-ons that they do, so it's on the front page. If you want to download it, click on it once with the left mouse button and go to download now. Shouldn't take 2 minutes. Okay, then save file. If it gives you an option to where you want to save it to, it's going to go into, I'll just show you, computer. So it's going to go into CCon, program files x86, and then it's going to go into the Rift game folder. So Rift game, and then interface, and then add-ons. Okay, this is where you want to save the file to, but with mine it just downloads it into the downloads folder, so I have to take an additional step, which is to open the containing folder. Again, if you're using Internet Explorer, it will ask you if you want to go to the folder where you've downloaded it. So I'm just going to cut and paste this into the Rift game folder. So the file's highlighted there. It's called King Molinator. I don't know why it calls it that rather than Deadly King Boss mods, but anyway. So right click on that, and go to cut, and then we will navigate to the Rift game interface add-ons folder. So like we say, so from computer, go to the C drive, program files x86. This is if you're running Windows 7. Rift game interface add-ons. Okay, now as you can see, I've already done this. So all I would do here is paste it, move and replace. There we go, and then right click on it and extract here. What that will do
is create this folder, and that's your add-on basically installed. So those are the two different ways of installing add-ons. The Curse Client, or you can do it manually by copying the file after you've downloaded it into the add-ons folder and unpacking it, unzipping it, whatever you want to call it. The final step and just making sure that the add-on is enabled. To do that, just bob your login details in. Click play. Now, the final step, you need add-ons icon on your character select screen. And here are the list of add-ons that I've got installed. If they are ticked, they are enabled and ready to use in game. If you find that you're having performance problems, obviously you can go through and disable whichever ones you wish. Okay, so I'm just going to re-enable these because these are the ones that I want to use. Click OK, and that's the job done, guys. Hope this has been of use. I'll catch you later.